Hello everyone, welcome back to my no code AI building series. Today we are going to dive into something really special, creating a powerful AI tool that can generate 15-page business plans from any business idea. Building a tool like this seemed to be complex at first sight. However, with the approach that I introduced in today's video, you will know just how simple it is. By the end of this video, you will have all the insight needed to create one similar tool for yourself, not just limited to business plan, but other type of multi-page report and analysis. So let's just dive in. First, let's create the first baseline for the tool. I'm going to use MyPal, a platform to build any AI tool in the form of AI workflow. So I'm going to give the first requirement for this AI tool. Given business idea, generate a 15-page business plan. This is great. In this step, you can define the content for each page. And to be more simple, I will use the framework by Feedback by AI, a framework tool for business plan generator. So I'm gonna give us the main content for each page. So I'm gonna say step one is to generate executive summary. Step two is okay. I'm gonna go ahead this fast so that we can come to the next step. Okay, I'm finished putting in the main content for each page. Now I'm going to generate this tool with AI, and I will have the first draft of the tool here. And as you could see, this is the input that we need for the tool, which is business idea, and the step represent the main content for each page. Okay, it's all good now. And now I will save this workflow and come to the next part, customize the tool and edit every part of the tool so that it can generate the result that I want. Work I use from Feedback by AI, but later in designing your tool, you can add a new page just by adding a new step here. For example, it could be a sale plan or any kind of framework that you want to bring into this business plan of yourself. Similarly, you can add a new input for the tool. For example, you might want your user to input ideal customer profile, then just add a new field here and decide the type of the field. And now let's come to customize every step of the tool. In this step, we want the tool to generate an executive summary. So now we will review the instruction given here by AI, and we can adjust this instruction so that it could fit our expectation. We will take the framework from Feedback by AI, and here we will see three main content to be generated here, which are core concept, unique value proposition, potential market impact. So now I can change the instruction for a little bit. It could be core concept, unique value proposition. And now we can also customize the agent behind this step. This agent is like a specialized AI assistant that is highly specialized for the task that is required in this step. So now we customize the background and then we can decide the format. Format is like the structure of the result that need to be provided. So here I can add this to generate a core concept for the product, and now it's like the unique value proposition, and I can ask this to write in bullet point as you could see here. And now is to generate potential market impact. Okay, and we update this, and you can also input relevant knowledge source or any kind of framework or materials that you have. And you can also change the language as well as add in the style for the result. And Probably you can change the model for this step. And later in the future, you might want to add some example here so that the agent could learn from your example and generate better result. And for me right now, it seems good enough. So then I can update this agent and come to edit other step. We just finished customizing one step and now we want to check whether this step generate good result or not. One step you can take is to chat with the agent for that step. I'm gonna tag the agent that I just created just right now, and now I'm gonna ask it to generate an executive summary for my tool. Generate from any idea. And now let's see the result that we could receive from this agent. Okay, and as you could see, it's generate three main important content that I required here, and if we check it, we could see that there is the similar structure for the executive summary between this tool and the agent that I just create. And now we will come back to the tool and customize other step of the tool. Other thing to keep in mind is to pass relevant data for each step. For example, in this step, we want the tool to process the data from this input. Therefore, we tag the input value here. And similarly, in this step, we want the tool to process data from the output of this step. Therefore, we tag executive summaries here and also the value from our input, business idea. Similarly, you could do the same for other steps. Now let's test the tool for the first time to see the result. I'm gonna type in any type of business idea that I have in mind right now. And let's see the result. After I run the workflow, and now it's processed the result for me. And as you can see here, it start running. And I want to move this fast. And here it is. These are the 15th page of business plan that the tool just generated. Other step that you could take is to share this tool to your audience. You can publish this tool as a form and use the link given here to share to your audience. And you can also embed this tool on your website. And we could see here, this is the tool that we just created in today's video. What do you think about the approach that I introduced today? Do you have any other ideas about the tool that you want to build for yourself? It's time to go to MyPower and start building now. Please share me your update in the comment below. Now it's time to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.